Well, I took out the 4 bolts that are in here to hold this part on, but I didn't think I really had to. Because if you look right here, it clips in. You have this little clip right here. As long as you have this piece here, then this clip here just clips onto that there, and that whole piece just stays on the what do you call that, swivel part for the shifter. So let me see if I can get it off of there without breaking it. It looks like it's coming off. I'm going to be a little more ginger with it. Okay, my garage is a mess. Okay, so if we take this guy here and gently pry out on this guy here, see there, it's just popping right off of there. And there you go. So as long as you got this little lip right here, this will snap right onto it. And it goes up and over this black piece here like so. So it's stationary to this part, and when you move the column, when you move the shifter, it moves back and forth like so. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, there it is. It just clips right on. Like I said, repaint it orange and you're good to go.